Hi everyone, my name is Christy and it's time for my fall 2019 Fabfitfun box unboxing. So I have my box right here. They ship in these big brown boxes when you do an add-on to your box, I think. And oh my gosh, I think I have like the worst memory ever because I don't remember a single thing that I chose for my fall customization. And I have an annual Fabfitfun membership, which means you get more customization to your boxes. And I think I got to customize like 4 things. Oh, that's just a guess. I seriously cannot remember at all what I chose. So this is such a surprise. And I can't even remember what I did for an add-on. So let's find out. In my room that I just moved into my new house, I have a skylight in the room that I'm filming in right now. So where I am right now is not the ideal filming location, and it's raining so much. I can hear the rain hitting the skylight, so I'm sorry if the sound quality of my video is not the best, but it's been such a gloomy day, and seriously, the best way, one of the best ways to brighten up my day is to come home to this. I'm coming up on 1 full year of doing Fabfitfun. I think I started out in the winter last year as my first boxes. And it's so funny, I'll have to do, when I do a house tour of my new house, I'll have to make sure to film my bathroom linen closet, which I converted to a makeup closet, because I took all of my Fabfitfun boxes and I cut off the top part, and I've been using just like the bottom part of the box as like storage bins in my closet, and I think they look so cute. All right, here it is. Oh my gosh, this box is so cute. And then my add-on here, I added on the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and I love Wander Beauty, and I haven't tried these masks out yet, but I've heard so many good things about them. So I'm really excited about these. Comes with a lot. How much did I pay for these? I don't remember, of course. 6 pairs of eye masks in here. And my under eyes are one of my problem areas. They really do get so dry, and specific under eye masks have been one of my most recent discoveries for skincare, but one of my favorites ever. Okay, and now let's get into the box. If you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, it's a quarterly, I would say, lifestyle box, because you get beauty, you get skincare, hair care, health, house, like so many different fashion, great types of products. And if you're just doing the quarterly subscription, it's $49.99, I believe. I do the annual subscription, which makes the boxes come out a little bit cheaper. I would say around like $45. But in my description box, for all of my videos, I put it in there as well. I have my referral link for Fabfitfun and a $10 off coupon when you sign up. So that, when you see what you get in this box, is seriously such a great deal. Okay. Yay! Oh my gosh, the moment when I opened the Fabfitfun box, I just get so excited. Okay, so it always comes with these magazines, which I read through. And also Fabfitfun sends out these really awesome emails that have, you know, tips on these trends, how to be healthy, pop culture trends, things like that. And I just love Fabfitfun as an all-around kind of lifestyle brand. They even have exercise classes available to you when you have a Fabfitfun subscription. And like this here, there's partnership discounts as well through Fabfitfun. This is with HelloFresh, which I really want to try out, especially because I just bought a house and I'm living on my own, and this would be a great kind of meal solution for me, because the way I've been cooking lately has not been the best. The one time I did try to cook, I set off a fire alarm and I was making pancakes. Okay. And these just come so beautifully packaged. So let's rip into it. Okay, wow. Something in my box smells really nice. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this one that I can see here. This is the Trestique Mini Eye Essentials in the Luxe Neutral set. Okay, cute. What are these again? Oh, you get a brow pencil, a shadow crayon, a second shadow crayon in a coffee shade, and then you get the pink pearl shade and an eyeliner in black. Oh my gosh, this really is the essentials. I'm like, wow, this is all the essentials. I'm so excited to try this out. This really is such a great idea. So, oh my gosh, really excited about the first product. And then in here, it should say the value. Holy moly, this retails for $48. So that's more than my whole box right there, because with my annual subscription, my box was less than $48. Okay, this is going to be an awesome deal. Okay, the next product, this is a pretty light box, I must say. I can hold it with one hand. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, these look yummy, but I don't know if I can eat them. Juice Cleanse. No, I still don't think I can eat them. It says exfoliating sugar cubes. Wow, this really does seem like a food. But no, it says you just use it in the shower and just exfoliate twice a week. I love exfoliating. I found some really great facial exfoliators from Fabfitfun and some great body scrubs that I already ran out of a while ago. So I'm really excited to have these. Okay, so those are a product that every box gets, whereas this one was a customized choice. And so these Harper and Airy Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse retail for $16. Maybe these are what are smelling really good in my box. Oh my gosh, those seriously do smell so good and they make me want candy. Okay, well, let's pull out another product. It's this one, Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Let's see, don't look too closely at my hair, it's definitely damaged. Okay, this is a product that comes in every box. Oh, so this is it says Instant Visible Repair protects from heat styling, and I heat style my hair all the time, so I definitely need this. This retails for $30. Wow. I always feel like I get such expensive, like bougie products in this box that I would never purchase on my own, but I'm getting them for such a great deal that it's so worth it. Okay, oh, this is the mystery choice. I love to choose the mystery choices as long as there's not a product that I'm dying to have. I just love a mystery. So this is my mystery choice, and this is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream, which this is very familiar. I think I may have this from like an Ipsy box or something, but like I was already saying, my under eyes are such a problem area for me that eye creams are essential. So this is a great mystery product for me. Okay, my next product, oh, this is a big bottle of Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscience. Oh, nice. Body Souffle. I was just running out of my body lotion, so this is great. Vegan and cruelty-free. This is in every box, and this retails for $18. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it just yet. But, ooh, yeah, this smells really good. Apricot oil and shea butter. That sounds so nice. Okay, so many products. This one here, Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Essential Face Toner. Yes, oh, this actually, okay, yeah, this is a choice. This is the one where I couldn't choose which I wanted, so I added on those eye masks. So these gold eye masks from Wander Beauty retail for $25. Those were the ones that I added on. This Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Toner retails for $30. Okay, so now there's some stuff hidden under here. Okay, this is one that I thought I chose, but I couldn't remember. I think I made my choices. Had I even bought my house yet? I bought my house kind of spontaneously. But so this is perfect. And I was trying to remember if I had gotten one of these because I don't have a cheese board yet. But this, now I do. Gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Oh my gosh. And this is cute and this is so perfect for my new house and hosting little gatherings. I love to do that. And this retails for $30. Twine Living Company. I'm not familiar with that brand, but I'm gonna have to look up their stuff. Okay, and now my last product in here. So much confetti in here. This product was almost missed. Okay, this is the Better Skin Co. Better Skin Lava Magic Cleanser Scrub Mask. Interesting. This retails for $32. It's a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, and mask. That's really cool. Grapeseed oil, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile. Oh, calendula and sweet orange. This sounds really intriguing. I love products that are different than any other type of product of their type that I've tried before. Like, I've never tried a 3-in-1 cleanser, scrub, mask skincare product before, but I feel like I've tried out so many different skincare products, so this is very exciting to me. So the total value of this is hundreds of dollars, and I spent around $45 on it, which is an amazing deal. So I'll just do a quick recap of the products that I got. So I got the Murad Renewing Eye Cream as my mystery item. I got the Humankind Body Souffle. I got the Aveda Damage Remedy Hair Styling Cream. I got the Truffle Therapy Face Toner from Skin & Co. Roma. I have the Better Skin Company Better Skin Lava Magic. I got the Juice Cleanse from Harper and Airy Sugar Exfoliating Cubes. I got the Mini Eye Essentials kit from Trestique, which I should mention that I have a makeup series going on my YouTube channel, if you're not already aware, where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out as part of that series. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that. And then lastly, I got the Twine and Living Co. Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. So I'm really excited to use all of these products in my new house, in my new life. These are going to just make me feel and look my best. There are so many great products. It says here in the magazine all of the different product options, and I'm like, wow, I would have liked every single one of these products. It really is so hard to choose. But then also another great feature that I should mention about Fabfitfun is that you get to add on to your box, and then it just ships for free with your box, and there are hundreds of products to choose from. So you have a certain time frame to do that kind of add-on shopping, and it's really great deals on so many, hundreds of products, like I just said. And so that's such a great bonus also that you get with your Fabfitfun membership, is this super discounted shopping that you get to do 4 times a year. But I would love to know in the comments down below if you get the Fabfitfun box and what your favorite products are that you got this season. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.